All bets on sports.
What is fair?
Huge winnings.
What is fair?
High odds.
What is fair?
Fast pay.
What is fair? What is fair?
Bookmaker Company.
Para sa kanya, si Derek Fisher, the way he shoots, and it's very, sinabi na natin, matanggan na itong team na to. So magandang game ito para sa ating Jones Cup. Hindi nga natin nakikita na live yon, pero grabe na.
Davis over at the other end, has Aussie in front. Sinausaw pa. Shot clock not reset.
Well, ito na yung sinasabi.
25 puntos din ang iniambag nito. Samahan mo pa ng
crowd. Talagang matataas rin yung level ng game nyo.
Braswell, shake and bake, finishes with a left.
Kevin Braswell.
Ito yung ginawa nila kahapon. 70 points in the paint sila kahapon. Aussie against his own two. It is Turner. Gusto mararuhin si Aussie. Turner using his
Hindi. Siyempre hindi.
Aussie underneath. Carving out Livermore. It over to the left. Dong sends it home. Another three-pointer natin sa minutes of the game kontra Chinese Taipei. Pero todo pa rin ang depensa, todo pa rin ang execute ng mga play.
And ngayon, nakikita natin na naglalaro siya pero masama ang pakiramdam nito. Kagabi pa...
Romeo in a foot race. Oh! Romeo! Excellent body. Livermore.
Not all big men.
Thinking three, driving closer, down the middle. Andre is covered. Steals per ball game. Hanggang nung naglaro sa China to. 31. Braswell against Gabe this time. Braswell fading away.
Kevin Braswell.
Son Tiveros is back on the court to open the second. Braswell goes to the crossover. Naipit, nawala ng dribble. Namuersa pa rin. Miller gets it to Watkins. Deep position. Jamil is hacked from behind.
At sumama sa team nila. At dahil daw good friends sila.
New Zealand on the attack, up by 6. First time. Adding a bit more ceiling para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Lodge for a long bomb. Andre delivers the goods. Another look at that booming triple from Andre Brodge from moments ago.
And you know, JC...
Nung nakaraang off-season, nagpunta siya sa Vegas doon sa Impact in the 2015 season ng inyong Philippine basketball. Reset. Nakita si Dion. Oh! Beautiful pass by Ball. Making their way back onto the floor as we take another look at that beautiful knockout play.
So, you know, it's really a big adjustment for a professional. Very valuable, especially for the first-timers sa ating national team.
Mabuna ba si Coach Kevin Braswell? Kevin Braswell with Brusco on the run. Braswell! Sinausaw pa bago pinabanda.
Ang bilis, flexing at talino laban sa tangkad ng New Zealand.
Yan ang ginamit ni
individual talent sa beating itong ating Gilas Pilipinas.
5 points, feeds Taulaba. Castro to Blotch from the 17 feet out. Andre Delap.
They won't go out on those screens.
Ekenasio. Nakash trying to feed Aussie. Ball bounces right back to him. Shot clock should have been reset. No problem. Back to Castro. Puts it up. Almost. But not lead at 42-38 ang nasa ating tala. Pag nabanggit ni Coach Richard. Blotch puts it on the floor. Scoops out. Over to Norwood. Will pull up. Drops it off to Blotch. Gets the basket.
Blotch to score dahil meron na yung opportunity.
Fingers! Came up with a walk on Masterpiece Club. Sikreto ng mga gwapo.
Nakikita nga natin, medyo lackluster yung naging simula. Ang ating simulan.
Davis split, Edwards. Di pa nakakapasok ng tres yung mga Kiwi. Doon na naman sila sa one the other way. Edwards goes up and is fouled.
When he is on transition.
Keeps it alive though. Andre Manangalo lost it on the way up. Bonus na makamedalya sa kahit anong tournament. Ang gusto natin makita as Fitness comes up with a shot clock is at 8. Rusco with a leather. By Coach Pinukul dito sa front court. Watch out.
Justin Edwards.
Flash puts it on the floor. Andre takes it strong.
Respect their outside shot will go.
Hindi naman talaga Uy, naupo lang si Coach Cresswell. Hindi pa rin. Siya pa rin yung tumira. Hindi ko lang natanaw. Andre goes behind his back. Don to Calvin. The last
This penetration from Andre Blatz at kaya tayo nagkaroon ng opportunity to get a basket.
Makabalik si Boss at Romeo. Romeo goes to the crossover. Down the middle. Oh!
That really energizes the whole team.
Let's see if they can pick it up or run. They have capitalized on the turnovers as well. London will inbound. KD Ocampo. One fake. Jump hook. Oh, the loss. Rusco with a steal. Cresswell with enough time. Ibigay buhay para sa Gilas. Magtuloy-tuloy na ba in the fourth quarter of action? Alamin siya. This evening inside the Big Dome. And he gets away to open up the scoring. KD Ocampo na lang. Ako, gilid lang. Leo Campo fake the pass, drives closer, puts it up off the glass, gets the basket. Ranidel takes.
Hindi sa kanyang bilis, pero yung change of speed at yung talino sa labas ng Portila.
Rebounding pa rin. At ito pa, pagkatapos itong mintes, ayun pa
Two free throws for Aussie Tolo.
As Brusco misses, Turner boards it, and it's
Great Turner, ha?
14. Turner's out to meet the pass. Down the middle, it is Calvin. What more time? What a surprise! Hindi ko alam di ba?
Subukan natin. I-technical natin.
Pick up dahil natalo kanina. Chinese as Calvin gets it to Romeo. Puts up a long one.
Dito sa pinapakita ni Terence Romeo from the same spot. No challenge at all. You know,
Close. On that baseline, Naive. Goes to the corner. Del Campo will attack. Shovels it to
Ranidel de Ocampo on that closeout. Penetration.
Romeo na naman. Another triple. One more time.
Show live at the Big Dome.
Here's in the lead, 78-76. Blatch comes up with a stop. Then
Finally, natapos na gano'n.
to Edwards. Oh,
Justin Edwards,
Tulad
Stevie.
dito kay Edwards. Castro puts it up. No. Bola. Inside the Guerra. That basket counts. Good. Davis has to go. Naputukan sila ng 24. Sige. He's with Castro. Lamang na tatlo. Ang Gilas.
The hustle on the defensive end. We did not give up. We did not slow down. We sprinted defensively. Ito na kayo na magiging challenge natin. Terence Romeo, 16 points already.
Pushing it. Apat na kalaban. At weapon the heaven. And Gilas mula. And he gets that first one.
Ay, looper.
Kung pipilitin nila yung 5-second violation, Romeo is fouled by Braswell. And you know, go to box up. Kabos! And Gilas Pilipinas will go up to 2-0.
Pinangungot sila uli. Yung nangyari dun sa Jones Cup. Ito na naman naroon.
Calvin Abueva, JC and Tao, Mark Pitt.
Oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.